Hey everyone. I am Rajiv Barua. I am an IELTS and PTE trainer. Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is simple but super interesting, and sometimes a little confusing. We're going to talk about the difference between house and home. Yes, they sound similar and people often use them interchangeably, but guess what? They don't mean the same thing. Let's break it down in a fun and easy way. A house is something you can see and touch. It's the physical space where someone lives, but a home? A home is a feeling. It's where you feel safe, comfortable, and loved. Let me show you what I mean through some short and witty fill-in-the-gap sentences, and we'll explain the correct answers too. Sentence 1, my cat thinks this house is hers. I just pay the rent. We're talking about a building here, a physical place, so the word is house. Sentence 2, a house has walls and a roof. A home has Wi-Fi and snacks. A house is the structure, but a home is where you live and feel relaxed. And let's be real, what's a home without snacks? Sentence 3, I left my parents' house but still go home for dinner every Sunday. You may not live in their physical house anymore, but it still feels like your home because of the emotional connection. Sentence 4, this Airbnb is a nice house, but it's not my home. It's a beautiful place, sure, but it doesn't have your people, your memories. Or your favorite pillow. Sentence 5, you can build a house, but it takes love to make a home. This one's deep. You can construct a house with materials, but only care and connection turn it into a home. Sentence 6, my dream house has 10 rooms. My dream home has 0 chores. One is about design and size, the other is about how you want to feel, relaxed and peaceful. Sentence 7, a haunted house is scary. A haunted home means family drama. A haunted house is like a horror movie. But when your home feels haunted, well, that's emotional damage.